Today, we're taking a closer look at the original projector lamp DT01021 for Hitachi, a top-tier replacement lamp designed for a variety of Hitachi projectors including the CP, X4011N, CP, X4014WN, CP, WX3011N, CP, WX3014WN, ED, X40, and ED, X42 models. This projector lamp boasts a genuine Philips UHP 300-250W 1.1 bulb, ensuring exceptional performance and reliability. One of the standout features of this lamp is its use of the original Philips UHP projector bulb. Philips UHP bulbs are renowned for their brightness and longevity, making them a trusted choice for projector enthusiasts. With a wattage of 250 watts, this lamp delivers clear, vibrant images, ensuring your presentations, movies, or gaming sessions look their best. Another key aspect of the DT01021 lamp is its 100% identical design to the original lamp used in these Hitachi projectors. This ensures seamless compatibility and straightforward installation, allowing you to replace your old lamp without any hassle. The inclusion of the OEM Philips UHP projector bulb and housing further guarantees that you are getting a high-quality product that meets the exact specifications of your projector. Durability is another major advantage of the DT01021 lamp. Backed by a 180-day warranty, you can have peace of mind knowing that your investment is protected. This warranty period allows you to fully test the lamp's performance and reliability, ensuring it meets your needs and expectations. In addition to its technical specifications, the DT01021 lamp also excels in terms of value for money. Given its high-quality components and reliable performance, it offers an excellent balance between cost and functionality. Whether you're using it for professional presentations, educational purposes, or home entertainment, this lamp delivers consistently impressive results. To sum up, the original projector lamp DT01021 for Hitachi is an outstanding choice for anyone needing a replacement lamp for their Hitachi projector. Its use of a genuine Philips UHP bulb, ease of installation, and robust performance make it a standout product in its category. With this lamp, you can expect bright, clear images and reliable operation, ensuring your projector continues to perform at its best.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.